Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shaughnessy, and on this channel we discuss fragrance, beauty, and wellness. And if you simply like to have a good time and you like my vibe, please subscribe. So in today's video, y'all, I have two fragrances that I'm going to unbox with you all, and they're both from Ariana Grande. So the first one I'm going to unbox is Thank You Next 2.0. This is one that was out before God is a Woman, but I couldn't find it anywhere in my area. It wasn't available to ship from Amazon, not Amazon, Walgreens. I kept missing when people said it was in stock, and just randomly I said, okay, I'm gonna give it a shot. Maybe because Cloud has come out 2.0, maybe the hype has died down some on this, and it was in stock at my local Walgreens. So yes, we're going to see how this smells. And usually I take the cellophane off, but I want it to be a true unboxing, so excuse the noise. So I think the packaging is cute. You know, I love purple. There's Ariana Grande on the back holding the perfume. This is 1 fluid ounce. I think this is the only size I've seen it come in. So let's see, you all, what I think. And I was so, okay, this already just came out, so hold on. I was so excited to, that is so cute. I know it's like the original Thank You Next, but I never bought the full bottle. This is a little scuffed. Let me see, because yeah, it came off. Because I just wasn't a huge enough fan of that fragrance to purchase it. So I haven't smelled this. This is a blind buy. We can pull it out like this, which I'm going to do to make it easier to spray. I've heard this is very sweet and marshmallowy, and we all know I am loving marshmallow lately. So let's see. First spray. I don't know the notes in this, but when I first sprayed this, I got like a freshness, made me think of pear. It's sweet. It's reminding me of REM, but sweeter, more feminine. Candy-like. Makes me think of very purple, lilac, candy scent. Okay, now it's dying down some. I'm just not in love. And it's reminding me, that's one thing I'm noticing with some of Ariana Grande's fragrances. They kind of smell a little bit of each one of them, and that is what I think I'm picking up right here. But I do like it. And I have to wear it on my skin to see what I think, but it's not, and I'm in love with it, just not yet. But I do like it, and I'm glad I have it, because I know I'm more than likely never gonna buy the full size version of the original Thank You Next, and I just think that it's too cute. That is so cute. So that is Thank You Next 2.0. my unboxing and first impression. And now we're going to talk about the newest and latest fragrance, and this is Ariana Grande Cloud 2.0. So let me go ahead and open this. Now, everybody was ordering this online, and I just didn't want to. I wanted to wait until it was in store, and I just got this a couple days ago. Here is the back of the box. Very nice packaging. And I have been holding on to this because I wanted to do a first impressions video, and then I'm going to come back and, you know, talk about it more in depth. So here is the packaging, which I'm sure most of you have seen videos. It's just like the original, but darker. So we're just gonna go ahead and smell this. And I must say, I was expecting another Cloud flanker, some variation of Cloud, because it was too popular for her just not to attempt to do anything else with it. So this one didn't surprise me. What surprised me is Thank You Next 2.0 came out, God Is a Woman came out, and then boom, this one. This is like 3 fragrance releases back to back to back. So that surprised me more than seeing another version of Cloud. So I am liking this. It's sweeter, but I will tell you that Band-Aid kind of note that I can pick up in Baccarat Rouge 540 that I couldn't pick up in the original Cloud. For some reason, I'm getting that here, like a rubberiness. But I do like it. So my first impressions, I like it. But I have to tell you all, when I first smelled the original Cloud, I wasn't like, oh, I love it. I was not like that. This is sweeter, but that I'm getting that Band-Aid note, and I don't really love that from the Baccarat 540. So I'm gonna have to wear this on my skin and play with it, but so far I am liking it. But yeah, so my first impressions of Thank You Next 2.0, I like it. I'm not jumping up and thinking it's the best smelling thing ever, but I have to try it on my skin until I wear things out a full, a couple times. Especially if it's not love at first sniff, I have to wear my fragrances out. So, but I'm glad I have this. Packaging is simply adorbs. I mean, adorable. Love the packaging on this. And for Cloud, let me put it back in this little holder. I do like the way it smells. I don't love it because I'm picking up the Band-Aid note kind of that I don't get from the original, but I have to see how it does on my skin because I'm only picking that up on the paper. So this was my first impressions. I am going to come back and talk about, I know Cloud 2.0 for sure, and I am going to talk about more what I think about this fragrance, but it will not be when I talk about Cloud because I'm going to have to compare it and all of that. But I did want to do a first impression because I like to see how they think something smells when they first get it, and then go ahead and do a more in-depth review. So if you enjoyed this quick little unboxing video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below telling me if you have either of these fragrances and what do you think of them. Please share this video with everyone who loves to smell good and who loves Ariana Grande fragrances, because right now when I think of celebrity fragrances, I think of her. It used to be I thought of Britney, then I used to think of Jessica as, the top mainstream, and then it was Beyonce, but now it's Ariana. That's who I think of when I think of celebrity fragrances. So please turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos, but especially my upcoming videos comparing Cloud 2.0 with the original, and to see if my thoughts change. What's going to happen? Is it going to be my favorite or not? I don't know. Tune in to find out. So you all, as I always say, if you like my vibe, subscribe. Until next time, bye.